Hi, this is Laura Lemza from Engineering Career Services, and this is a demonstration of how to use Handshake for the virtual career fair. From the main Handshake page, go to Events, then filter for Career Fair, and search for the Fall 2022 Virtual Engineering Internship and Career Fair. This is the main virtual career fair page. From here, you will be able to see career fair details. You'll be able to sign up for available sessions. Those are our appointments with employers. And you'll be able to review your schedule and cancel appointments if necessary. So let's go ahead and look at the career fair details. You can tell we're on the page because it's highlighted and underlined. There is information about the time and the date and some other information about the fair. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see a list of employers attending. At the very bottom is a small menu option to show all employers, which gives more details about each of the employers who are coming. As you can see from BMW, we have some job types, job titles, what kind of school years they're looking for. Go ahead and follow any employers that you have great interest in so you will be notified when they post their sessions. Employers will register for the fair and then later they will go back and post their sessions. So there is a time lag. To see sessions, go to the available sessions menu item. And from here, we can see so far, 3 companies have posted sessions. We have individual sessions, which are one-on-ones for 10 minutes. And there are group sessions, which are 30 minutes long and can be information sessions, presentations, or ask me anything time or Q&A. We're going to go ahead and sign up for an individual session to see what the process looks like. Simply click on the button, click Show More All Available Times, and you will see what they are offering. I'm going to go ahead and sign up for 320 and confirm. That company now disappears from my list of options because I have a session with them already. I'm now going to sign up for in-depth engineering and show all available times. I'm going to click on a time. It won't let me pick 320 because I've already selected that for the other company, so it will not let me double book myself. I'm going to sign up for 3 p.m. and I'm going to confirm. As you can see, as you do this, your sessions populate on the right so you can see the schedule that you're building for yourself. Do recommend you don't do back-to-back sessions, but give yourself a 10-minute gap between them. Sometimes the session can run over time and sometimes there is technical difficulty. So give yourself a gap between sessions if you possibly can. On the day of the fair, go to your schedule. This is where you will actually join the virtual fair. For instance, here's the one-on-one and we have the name of the person we'll be meeting with. You can either send Stephanie a message in advance or 5 minutes before the session is scheduled to begin. The join video button will be activated and you can check your video. If we decide that we have a conflict and we want to cancel, just click on it from your schedule and cancel reservation is very simple. You can send a message apologizing for the cancellation and cancel the session. If you are going to cancel a session, please do it well in advance as soon as you possibly can so other students could grab those slots. All right, so there you go. The virtual engineering internship and career fair easily navigated through Handshake by using these 3 main menu items. If you have questions, reach out to Engineering Career Services. That is what we are here for. Thank you.